Hello students. So as discussed earlier, I am bringing about the solutions to test number 2 of utility. As already I have discussed with you the Slutsky equation. Out of 575 children, 90 have answered the test, and that is really motivating for me as the number of students are increasing. I can't discuss all the 37 questions, so I have decided to put a criteria. All those questions where more than 60% of the participants have got wrong answers, I'm going to discuss them over here with you. And the first question, to my shock, out of 92 children, only 24 have got right. The question is, if the price of good X increases, the consumer's budget line will. The correct answer is pivot inward with X-intercept unchanged. का मतलब होता है when the price of the good rises, okay, so your purchasing power reduces, and when your purchasing power reduces, you will fall down, you will fall to the left hand side. Whenever you want to answer such questions, hint के लिए आपके दिमाग में होना चाहिए नंबर लाइन. अगर प्राइस ऑफ द गुड इंक्रीज होता है तो आप कम गुड्स ले पाओगे. अगर आप कम गुड्स ले पाओगे तो आप शिफ्ट हो जाओगे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे. If the thing was that the price of the good would have fallen down, that means your purchasing power, your real income would have increased. In such a case, you would have shifted to the higher IC curve, indifference curve, which is always to the right hand side. Number line में right hand side पे बड़ा number होता है, right? बस वही logic use करना है. We go with the next question, my dear friends now. Now, the next question which I am going to take over here is going to be, I am just scrolling the Google Forms over here, which has an entire, project in front of me. They've given me the entire report, and as per the report, the next answer is consumer equilibrium is achieved where. Now, to my shock, I have seen many students telling that the marginal utility of all the goods is equal, but the real answer is that the budget line is tangent to the highest attainable indifference curve. Even your B part, what you have written is right, but more perfect as per this indifference curve का जो option आया है, we have to choose the indifference curve option. वहाँ जो marginal utility of all the goods is equal with respect to the price of that good, which is equating to the income. ये याद रखना. Now we go on with the next part. This was question number 8. The next question which I would like to answer is the concept of revealed preference. Now less than 50% have got this question correct. See, the options given to you are: concept of revealed preference assumes consumers can assign numerical values to utility. No. You know, it is already a ordinal concept, not in cardinal concept in reality. तो वो assumption में जाता है. Involves direct observation of consumers' choices. Revealed preference. Preference कब करोगे? जब आप choose करोगे. So this option seems to be more sensible. Involves direct observation of consumer choices. Requires knowledge of consumer's utility function. Not needed because तुमको सिर्फ preference देना है. And is based on hypothetical choices. No. आप choose करते हो. Hypothetical किधर होता है? I have 100 rupees, so I have an option. 20 rupees का वड़ा पाव, एक cold drink, and then a 10 रुपये च्विंगम का पैकेट, और 85 रुपीज़ का मामलेदार का मिसल, एंड 15 रुपीज़ का बटर मिल्क. चॉइस मेरे पास है. हाइपोथेटिकल चॉइसेस नहीं है वो. So the correct answer is option B, involves direct observation of consumer choices. I was taken aback when I saw children attempting Giffen goods related question wrong. The question number 12 asks you a Giffen good is, and 23% of the children write a good with downward sloping demand curve. How can that be? Giffen goods में मैंने आपको exceptions में सिखाया था, वो upward sloping demand curve होता है, downward sloping नहीं. डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग एक नॉर्मल गुड के लिए होता है, एक नॉर्मल गुड के लिए. यहां पर करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपका सी रहेगा, अ गुड विथ नेगेटिव इनकम इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. नाउ इन 2 minutes आई रिवाइज फॉर यू व्हाट इज नेगेटिव इनकम इलास्टिसिटी. आपको याद रखा, हिंट्स दिया था मैंने. पॉजिटिव इनकम इलास्टिसिटी में एरोज विल गो इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. इनकम राइजेस, डिमांड राइजेस. यहां पर नेगेटिव में एरो एक ऊपर जाएगा तो दूसरा एरो नीचे आएगा, राइट. सो व्हेन योर इनकम राइजेस you will not purchase such Giffen goods, poor man's good. You will go to a normal good, to a much better good. Like if you are non-vegetarian, you will go with a piece of meat. If you are vegetarian, you will go with paneer, you will go with sweets. So when the income rises, the demand for the Giffen goods will fall. एक ऊपर गया, inferior goods में वो नीचे आएगा. Hence it is C. It has a negative income elasticity. जैसे इनकम बढ़ेगी, गिफिन गुड्स का डिमांड कम हो जाएगा. Slutsky 13th, I've already done, I put a video for you. Okay. Now the next one, which I again am shocked because this we have done in 11th standard itself. The paradox of value refers to, and 44% of the students have given A option a go, which says the fact that essential goods often have lower prices than luxury good, which is surely right. But when you read the other options given to you, the D option, paradox of value, में आपको जो D option दिया है, it clearly says the difference between value in use and value in exchange. तो वो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है आप देखिए. ए भी राइट है, डी भी राइट है, बट डी का वेटेज ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज वैल्यू इन यूज एंड वैल्यू इन एक्सचेंज के हिसाब से आपको पता चलेगा कि वो जो प्रोडक्ट है वो एक लग्जरियस प्रोडक्ट है या एसेंशियल गुड है. तो सबसे पहले इट शुड बी वैल्यू इन यूज एंड वैल्यू इन एक्सचेंज. देयरफॉर दोनों राइट हैं, बट द करेक्टर विल गिव डी ऑप्शन एज करेक्ट. वी गो फर्दर माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. आउट ऑफ 37 वी हैव ऑलरेडी कवर्ड more than 50% over here. And the next question which I would like to take is, the satisfaction derived from a product is, it is very simple. Satisfaction is different from utility, and therefore it is C point. Directly I'm giving you the answer, not necessarily the same as utility. Okay, we go on with the next one now. So the next question which I would like to have, other balance, all I'm saying you'll have scored 85% people have given right answers, 90% कुछ questions right किए हैं आप लोगों ने. It's good. So I'm very happy with that. 74% the 25th question, 71%, 78%. It's all good. 82%. So whatever majority mistakes were there, I have handled those questions. मैंने आपको explanation दे दिया है, and I'll rest this video here only. I request you to please press the like button, subscribe to my channel if you have not, and मेरे चैनल को दोस्तों तक पहुंचाओ. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. बाय.